capital T, and then the capital U.
Changed the layout on the lanes on the A38, a bit strange. Do you? Sorry? Nowhere to go.
Didn't even know Python could steer him.
Right. Have you?
What are you doing in here on a Saturday?
Well, we do a show. Tipping Point. Is that the one you're thinking of?
Yeah.
Yeah, with Ben
You
Shepherd.
have to answer questions.
Yes, that's the.
Charlie,
Could be the.
I can talk about anything.
Okay, so here's some questions, general knowledge questions, Hayley. Coming on Tipping Point.
Hi.
I'm Ben Shepherd. Here's some questions.
I thought you were done.
No, it's never Don. Never Don. It's Don.
Never done.
No, it's not Megadon. It's Don.
Mogadon.
No, it's not. I can't even remember my name. It's Don.
Is your name Mogadon?
No, it's not. Just call me Dominic.
Right, Dominic.
Yes, there you go. Very good. And that's
Shepherd.
Yes, Dominic Shepherd. Okay, first question, Hayley. What is the capital of England? Capital of England. Oh, Hayley.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, what is the capital of England?
Britain.
The capital of Britain? No, you're wrong, Hayley. Unfortunately.
Liverpool.
No.
Bikini.
No, not Bikini either.
Super game. I'm leaving.
Okay. Bye-bye.
What about all the cheese?
Where's she gone?
Sorry about that, Dom. I was just downstairs the basement fixing a leak. Did I miss anything?
You miss Hayley there.
So no.
Not really.
Fair enough. This is James Bay.
Alright, I better go.
Alright, bye-bye.
Bye now.
I think that's about it for our guests.
Yep. Hayley and Bono.
Yeah.
That'll do it.
I don't really think we have any more.
So none of us have to do it. He's got us off. Brilliant. Always good to have one of them around, you know. So, I have to do that for myself now. Oh, what's Sir Paul McCartney talking to us in the studio? The meltdown in Sussex last week. What a brilliant chat it was. There's more coming from Sir Paul McCartney. Oh, yeah. He's swearing away. And, I didn't look. You don't look. You don't look. Eyes front. The last thing, probably before we go, the last time I came to see you was in Cologne. And I got in a balloon bother with a fire engine going missing. And, how'd you go about choosing?
Well, I mean, one of the great things about being in the position that we're in, stylish things, you'll want to make sure that they're fitted to perfection. That's where Trusted Trader are always on hand to help. TrustedTrader.com have lots of really lovely tradespeople who are vetted, reviewed and reliable, so you'll find the professional you need, including an expert who'll design and install that gorgeous new kitchen or bathroom.
Domino's is the official food of everything, and right now it's summer, so you know what that means. It's the official food of that brash floral shirt you bought in Marbella back in the day that only comes out when it's sunny and your partner isn't with you to get embarrassed. Like when you go out to pick up a Domino's with the walk-in wins deal. Buy one, get one free on any size pizza when you pick up in store, no matter how awful your outfit. The walk-in wins deal from Domino's, the official food of everything. Subject to availability, T's and C's apply.
Job sites, you get candidates.
I'm the sales director you're looking for.
But when you post on Indeed.com, you get the candidates just right for you.
I'm a sales director with an MBA.
You might go out tonight. And I said, well, Dominic and I are going out and Sharon Edgerton. Oh, yes, he's hot. And I'm like, you know I'm not going out with him for a drink because he's hot.
No, exactly. And also, you wouldn't say that, with all due respect to Taryn, if the only film you've seen him in is Eddie the Eagle. You're not going to say he's hot. Is he the hot one from Eddie the Eagle?
He's smooth in the Kingsman, isn't he?
Oh, he's brilliant.